Micro-defects that could occur during manufacturing may sometimes cause glove failure and put OR workers at risk of infection, cross-contamination, and exposure to blood-borne pathogens. Ansell's A.R.T Pinhole barrier technology adds an extra level of robustness at the very start of the manufacturing process by sealing micro-defects that may be found in glove formers and later result in pinholes or glove weaknesses. This results in a smoother, even glove film for consistent glove performance to better protect surgeons and OR nurses so they enjoy peace of mind.
Having that added confidence in theatre, now that's technology that works for me.